Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, you can't be replaced. So go now, what you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I'll please you any way I can. I want you in my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. Give all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do. To me, love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Tonight, I gotta show you that you be. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. Your love.
My mind seems to I'm finally done with my hair, and it came out so pretty. At first I was gonna leave it with the natural curls, but I was like, no, like I feel like it was half done. Once I added those crimps, everything came to life. So I'm gonna just like really just fluff out the crimps with my fingers, and oh my god, and this is like all the hair to the front. It is so full. Okay, so of course, as you can see, this wig is from Hairspells, and their packaging, first of all, was 10 out of 10. I love the purple theme. The purple thing was very cute. The hair is so good, y'all. I always wanted to try this reddish brown color, and it came out so good. The lace melted great, okay, and I laid my hair down without a flat iron, and the wig didn't come bulky or anything. I barely had to pluck it, and I'm telling the truth, like I barely had to pluck it that much, especially since the hair color is light. You really don't have to go in and pluck so much, but the crimps really gave it the body, and it is a true 20 inches, 180% density, and it is everything. Okay, so I did wash this hair. I used the silicone conditioner, and then I had used a regular shampoo from Dollar Tree. I let the silicone conditioner sit on the hair a little bit. As you know, silicone conditioner, you know, just really just make any wig just come to life. But even before I washed the hair, it felt amazing. So make sure you guys check out Hairspells. I love this. It's such a new look for me too. Like, it's such a new look. It's everything. Okay, so as far as shipping, if you guys wondering, so since this is a pre-customized wig, it do take 3 to 4 days for it to get customized, you know, and everything, and then it ships out with DHL. I got my package very fast. Like, they made sure. And as far as customer service was great. I enjoyed working with Hairspells. Thank you so much for your kind customer service and just making sure, you know, the hair was slaying. And as you can see, the bounce is everything, y'all. So I really highly recommend this brand. And another thing, the wig is pretty affordable. It's really hard to find a good colored wig, especially a colored wig that has like a great amount of density to it. It's not thin. Like, I know, like, if I really comb these crimps out, this hair is gonna be so thick. I love bouncy curly hair. This is a loose deep wave, by the way. So make sure you guys check it out. The link to this wig will be in my description box below, and with a coupon code you can use as well, honey. Like, listen, I know them taxes hit. Go get you a nice hairdo, okay? Amen. So thank you guys all so much for watching this video, and let me know if you guys have any ideas, you know, as far as wigs, what you want me to do next. I do want to do more hair videos and all of that stuff. Definitely makeup videos as well. So yeah, I really enjoyed making this video, and I hope you guys have a blessed one. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.